Hello friends, today I will be showing a program which is written in Python which is used to connect to the Postgres database to perform one operation of the database, that is insert operation. First of all, I will tell by Python in brief. Python is dynamic, free, open source and interpreted programming language. It supports GUI programming, high level language, that means it doesn't depend on machine architecture, extensible feature like C and C++. It is widely used in data science and machine learning, that means artificial intelligence and this thing. Data modeling is a crucial phase in data science where you can make great efforts to minimize the dimension on data set where Python is used. Then reading and writing CSV files which are created when you create a session using Google Meet, there also Python is used. Now we will see the program code. Import PSY COPG2 is a driver which is used to connect to the Postgres database. Unless and until this driver is not loaded, you cannot connect to the Postgres database. Insert record is a function which is having 4 parameters. Then connection string, cursor is call.cursor. This method is bound permanently to the database session. Then this is insertion string, insert into student name of the database, name of the table, student 5, roll number, name and this thing. ARGS is used to pass variable number of arguments to function, means you can pass n number of arguments to the function using ARGS. Then cursor dot execute is execute the query. Then con dot commit, when you want to reflect operation to the database, then you can use commit function. If you don't want to reflect to the operation to database, you can use rollback function. When you want to commit operation to the database, then you can use commit function, and you want to don't reflect values to the database, you can use rollback function. Find, try and catch, expect are similar like PHP and JavaScript. Finally, cursor dot close, this method is used to close the current cursor object. Now if I want to take the input from the user, I will use input function, and if I want to take the user input in the form of integer, then I will add int. Then for loop, roll number int, roll number it is integer, that's why int is written. If I want to take input in the form of string, then I can only enter the name, only input function. And if I want to take input in the form of integer, then I can use input function with int. Insert record, then this is the function call. Now we will see the database. Roll number, database no record are there. We will execute the program. Roll number 11 Sachin Patil, age 19, Mars 89, record added successfully. We will see the database. Okay, record has been added successfully. So this is all about the database. This is all about the Python and database insertion operation. Thank you.